everyone, my name is Raju. Welcome to YouTube channel. So today in this video, we'll be talking about secure authentication and authorization using JWT token. Today this video will be covering the topics on what is JWT and how the JWT secure the authentication and how it's work and part of JWT. And how can we secure our website or application using the JWT authentication and some terms related to the JWT. That's the that I'm talking in this video. I'm taking the tips here. If you are a developer and if you are a software developer and you have some knowledge in it or you have any kind of idea about that, you may have heard about the security concern of our application. The JWT is came across a better option to secure our application using the its secure authentication mechanism. So that's why I'm talking in this video. So let's get started. So JWT is actually stands for JSON Web Token, which is actually a token that we provide to the user that is logged into our system as a verified user. So we give it as a badge for the user to we can ensure that the user is authenticated. For that we use the JWT token. Talking more about the JWT token, it has three parts. The first one is the payload header section, and the second one is the payload, and the third one is the signature part. So the header portion contains the metadata about the JWT token, which is metadata means what kind of using what kind of token or what kind of token is that, and what kind of cryptographic algorithm that we are using in this particular token. Okay, so basically it will be the token type will be JWT, and there are several kinds of tokens used for the authentication mechanism. For the case of JWT, it will be the JWT, and the cryptographic algorithm, that we have so many cryptographic algorithm that are available or that are currently in our internet. Cryptographic algorithm means that it's an algorithm that we use to transform a plain text into an unreadable form or not a human readable form. So that's what a cryptographic algorithm means. It actually converts the normal text into a ciphertext, which is not readable by the human. Which is not in a human readable form. So that is what the cryptographic algorithm is. So the header part contains the which type of token is that, and what type of algorithm is used, and etc. Like that metadata the header contains. And then come to the payload section, which is actually contains the claim that the JWT token is built upon. Which is basically we build a JWT token using some user credential. Like if a user is logged into our system and we take maybe the user ID or email or role of the user to create a token for that particular user. So that is what the claim means. And when it's come to the signature part, the signature is actually a signature is the part that combines both the header and the payload, which is the actual data is contained in that particular part, or the we encrypt that particular claim using the cryptographic algorithm, and that part is called the signature part. So that's about the part of JWT token, and how this JWT works in our application. When we talk about that, there we actually have two types of token: access token and refresh token. Basically the access token only has only a few or a short period of time, which is we give as 5, 10 or 15 minutes. So when it's come to the refresh token card. It contains a long period of time like 1 hour, 50 minutes or 30 minutes, etc. So when a user is successfully log into our system, we make a both access token and refresh token for that particular user, and the access token contains only access token has only a short period of time, and the refresh token has some more period of time. So then only it is get expired. So that is what happened when a user log into our system, and we send this token to the client side as in cookie or in some part of the response. So and after that each and every subsequent request, the access token will send to the server, and the server verify that if the user is authenticated using the JWT verify function, or we can use the JWT decode for verifying that user claim. So for by that the user each and every user request can be verified using the particular token. And whenever if we give the access token time as a 5 minutes, after the 5 minutes the access token get expired, and after that each and every request will get unauthorized, or it may make some errors like unauthorized, or the user is not able to access the particular data in the API or the web service. So at that time the refresh token comes into picture. At that time if an error is if a request is response with an error of or not one, we send the refresh token which is still valid to the server, and the server verifies that the refresh token is still valid, and after that the server will make a new access token for the particular user, and it will be sent back to the client. And with that access token the user can still access the particular still access to the web services in the server. So that's about the JWT token working. So this is how the JWT token working, and whenever the refresh token is get expired, the user may be prompted to re-log in again like that. So that's the mechanism that we have used in our web application. So that's all about the topic tech seminar topic JWT, and hope you guys all have understand how it's work. So that's all. Thank you.